Hello, you are mute.
In this today's session, see we are going to see the changing the list. Okay. In the previous session, we have seen how to create the list. Okay. So let's say I want to let's first create the list. Okay. So fruits, as usual, we're going to create the fruits, and in this one we will have apple, then banana, then mango, okay, and then kiwi. So this is the fruits list. And I want to change items. Okay. So how to change the items? Okay. So like changing the value of a specific item, we need to refer the index. Okay. See, I'll be writing here what action we are going to perform. Okay. Change item value. Okay. So we are changing the value by referring to the index. Okay, by referring the index of the item. Okay, by referring to the index of the item. Okay, so in this one, items are apple, banana, mango, kiwi, and index means what? Index means its position. Okay, so let me help you with that positions. So in this one, 0, banana is at position 1, 2, and kiwi is at position 3. Okay. Let's say I want to change this banana, okay, with strawberry. Okay, what I do? What I will do is I'll name the list and by position mentioning which item I want to replace. So one position I want to put it, okay, let's say strawberry. And now to confirm that our list, it replaces banana with strawberry, then we print it. Let's save this file, run it please. See, before it was banana here at position 1. And now when I said that fruits of 1 should be strawberry, then this banana got replaced with strawberry. Okay. So in this one, you can do it like you can change it by replacing 2. Okay. You can also test it all by yourself. Just put any position in here. Fruits of, let's say, 3. Okay, let's say I don't like kiwi. So I'll be here putting which fruit? Dragon fruit. Okay. So let me just save it and print it one more time. So in here you can see that first time when we print the fruits, okay. So in this one, you will see strawberry, it has been added. Next time we modify the fruit kiwi, it is replaced with dragon fruit. See? So you understand how a list can be modified? Okay. So now we can, change the group or range of item values. Okay. More than one items or range of items values. Okay. So within the range, I want to, within the specific range, We want to define a particular new values. Okay. So this is like, apple is there, banana is there, mango is there. Okay. So let's create this list one more time. I'll do copy paste. Now in this one, I'll be adding two more fruits. Okay, that's enough. So we'll give index 4. Let's say I want to modify this, like banana, mango, and kiwi. Or I want to modify this range 0 to 2. Okay, so 0 to 2 means a 0th index, 1 index, and 2 index. So this range I want to modify. Okay, so we need these new values in here. Okay, so we need to refer these indexes 0, 1, 2. Okay, so these index numbers, if you mention, okay, like where you want to insert the new values. So I want to insert new value at position 0. I want to insert the new value at position 1. I want to insert the new value at position 2. Okay, so this range I have to define like 0 to 3. Okay, so see what happens. So let's say changing the value. Okay, so changing the value like banana and mango. Okay, so you have to define in here like from what to what you want to change. Okay, so I want to change from 1 to you know 2. Okay, means up to 3. So you can say I want to change 1 to 3, but these 3 is not considered. See, in this case, when you say 1, 2, 3, actually you are saying 1 and 2, not 3. Okay. So when you define a range, so your range is 1, 2, 3. So actually, you're considering it is item 1 and 2 and not 3. Okay. So 3 is not included, only 1 and 2. Okay, so 3 is excluded. So here we mention the and or no. So that is not considered. Okay, all right. So let me just show you. Again, we will copy these fruits. Okay, it's already copied. So forget it. We are going to, just say fruits of 1 and 2 I want to replace. So next number of 2 is 3. So we have to keep 3. Okay. So 1 to 3 means it's not like 3 fruits we want to provide. Only 2 fruits names. Okay. So it's guava. Okay. And musk. Okay. So these are the 2 fruits I'm providing. Or you can say water. Now you will see guava will be replaced with banana and watermelon will be replaced with mango. Okay, so these three that you see it here, it says start from one. Okay, start from one and up to three you want to replace. Up to three means two is replaced and three up to three, not three. Okay, so this three is actually says up to three. Okay, and now you can print the fruits list. Okay, so you understand now? Let me just comment these parts, it will show us the output all the time. So I'll just put it in comment and now I'll run this. Okay, so you can see in here, apple is it is as is. Banana got modified. See, banana it is replaced with guava, and mango replaced with watermelon. Kiwi it is not replaced. Okay, dragon not replaced. Okay, okay. So now what we do is, uh, you know, see, we can change it the least, okay? By if you want to insert like say more items, okay, that more than you want to replace. Okay, let's say if let's say let me create a fruits list again and let me give it a title that I want to insert more items, okay, then I want to replace, okay, then you replace, okay. So it's like, what does it mean? Let's say, I will explain you. We have fruits list in here. So we will just copy it. So just copy it in here. Okay. And in here, what we are doing is, see, let's say I provide index in here, fruits of 1 colon 2. Now you might wonder that I'm trying to replace two fruits. No, see, our start, this is start. Okay, let me explain you what this means. Okay, so in this 1 colon 2 means what? So this is the start and this is the end. Okay, so we have actually start 1. Okay, so we have start 1 and up to 2. So see, what does it mean? You start at 1 and up to 2 means only one fruit will be replaced. You understand? You might say, sir, it's a 2 given here. No, why don't we select 2 also? No, there's a difference. So end is 2. That means it is up to 2. You don't take 2. Okay? Alright? So you start at 1 and you say up to 2, not 2. Okay, so that means when you say 1 colon 2, you are actually saying I want to replace only one. Okay, the atom at position 1. Okay, let's say what happens if you give this and and more see you want to insert more items. No, so basically you want to give here more items. So let's say I want to replace banana but not with one fruit. I want to replace banana with more than one fruit. You understand? So if I give here, let's say musk. Okay, sorry, not in here, in here. Okay, so I can give here musk. Okay, so it's not, but it will replace banana with musk. But let's say the title says you want to insert more items. So that means you can give here instead of only musk, you can give in here. Okay, so in India, there's a fruit called chiku. Okay, so we name it as chiku. Okay, and pineapple, did we mention? No. So let's mention pineapple. Okay, see here, we are mentioning here. Okay, pineapple. All right, and there is a fruit called pomegranate. Okay, all right. So now you can see. Sir, you wanted to replace only banana. Why you are having three fruits here? Why you are, putting three fruits in the place of banana? Okay, we can do that because title says I can replace I can insert more items, then I want to replace. So see, I want to replace only one. Okay, I want to replace at position one. Okay, so I'll be putting fruits, three fruits at index one. So your list will be apple, musk, pineapple, pomegranate, because these fruits are added at index one, and then mango, then kiwi and dragon. Okay, so let's print this fruit. Okay, so at this one index, no, at this one index, actually, we are having musk, pineapple, and pomegranate. So what will happen? Index system will change. So apple will be at position one. Sorry, apple will be position at zero. Musk will be one. Musk will be one. Pineapple will be two. Pomegranate will be, three, and then four. Mango will be four. Kiwi will be five, and dragon will be six. So let's check it. Let's comment this part now. Let's save this program and run it. See, do you see in here? We have apple. Then instead of banana, look at here. We had banana here at our position one. Okay. But instead of banana, we have, musk. Okay, see, pineapple, position two, pomegranate, position three. Then it starts the rest of the items like mango, kiwi, and that. So what does it prove? That it proves that you provide index here, any index, okay, and you can insert more items, okay, at the given position. It's not like you can insert only, like if there is one item in here, that means you can insert only one item only. It's not that way. Okay. All right. So now what is happening in here? The length of the list, it will change. So in this one, no, we have to keep the, what changes that we get to see here. Changes, sorry, not in here. We will create a new change we see in here. Okay, that length of the list will change. Okay, when we insert the item, when we add more items. Okay, and more items, and actually when it doesn't match. Okay, when it doesn't match with the number of items in the receipt, with the replaced items. Okay, it doesn't match with the replaced item. So what does it mean? I'll explain. So I want to replace only one atom in here. Okay. Now see, change that we see in here, that length of the list will change. Why? See, the length was before 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 items I had. But when I wanted to replace banana with another fruit, then the length should not change, right? But here we're not replacing the one item. Okay, actually see, one item is getting replaced with you know 4 items, 5 items, 6 items. Okay, so what is happening in here, that at position one we are adding more items. Okay, so that's why length it is changed. You can see in here length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, and then 7. So it's like length is 7. Okay, so if you insert less items, then you replace. Okay, the new items will be inserted. Okay, where you specify, and the remaining items will move accordingly. Okay, let's say I want to replace. You can do vice versa. Okay, So let me just copy this one and paste it here. See, in here, let's say I want to replace, you know, item at position 1 and 2 and 3. Okay. Let's say I want to replace this position 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So up to 4 I want to replace. Up to 4, not 4, but up to 4. So I'll be, providing here. I'll say I want to start from 1, start will be 1, and up to 4 I want to replace, not 4. So what items will be we are replacing? Okay, we are replacing banana, we are replacing mango and kiwi. Okay, so and now what we will do, you know, we will insert less items now. Okay, so we will be inserting less items. We will be inserting less items this time. Before we inserted more items, okay? At one position, we inserted more items, three items, okay? Now here we have three items. We want to replace, see, three items with one item, okay? So we want to insert one item at the place of one, two, three, okay? So see what will happen. So in this one, we define the range now. It's a fruits and from 1 to 4 we say, okay, and what item that you want to put in here? I want to put in here watermelon. Okay, so your list size will decrease now. Instead of increasing, it will decrease. Why? Because you are replacing three items, okay, with one item. That means you are removing three items, banana, mango, kiwi, and you are adding one item. Okay, so that means here the size was 5. Okay, now the size of the list will be, yes, 3. Okay, so let's print, fruits. Okay, so let me just, print it by commenting first this one because output will confuse you. Okay, so that's why previous output, I'm doing commenting here. All right, so when you want to run this, you please uncomment this code. Okay, so let's rerun this code. Okay, see here, before it was apple, then banana, mango, kiwi, dragon. Here, see, banana, mango, kiwi got replaced with watermelon. See, banana, mango, kiwi got replaced with watermelon. And the least size, now do you see what is the least size? It is 3. Here, the least size was 5. So you can, add more items at one position. You can replace, like 3 items with one, new item. You can do however you like. Okay, all right. So this was like changing the values. Okay, and let's see how to insert the items. So let's give it a title: insert items. So to insert a new item, okay, to insert the new item, so we need to use insert function. Okay, so like we insert items, it's like it doesn't replace. Okay, it doesn't replace the existing value. Okay, so you have to understand this. This is the difference. Okay, here we were replacing the existing values. Okay, here we are not replacing, we are inserting a new value. Okay, so we need index in that case. Okay, insert items will insert new value without you know replacing replacing items from list. Okay, So let's see that. Okay. So you need a, you need to define. So let me just copy it first. This fruits one and also comment this code block. All right. So what we need to do in here, see, we want to add, let's say watermelon at position one. Okay. I'm not replacing. I'm saying I want to insert watermelon at position 1. So what will happen to banana? Banana will simply shift it towards right. Okay. So in between apple and banana, we will have watermelon. So, let's do that. Fruits dot insert. And what we do? We mention index 1 that at that one position, I want the item watermelon. Okay, and after printing this one, you'll find out that position 1 is not replaced, but rather position 1 newly created, and the banana will have index say 2 and mango will have index 3. Okay, so like banana, mango, kiwi, and dragon, their indexes changes because new item has been inserted between apple and banana, position one. Okay, so now the new fruit it is introduced at position one. Okay, so let's print this. Okay, we already printed, so we have to just run it. Okay, so let's rerun this one. Okay. Okay, sorry, we have to rerun it. Okay, see, in here, you can see that we have apple, okay? Here we have apple, banana, mango. See, but in this case, new list will be apple. Instead of banana, we have watermelon, and banana is now position change, okay? Because watermelon introduced between apple and banana. So apple, watermelon, and banana. So here position change, okay? Here we are not doing replacing values, okay? You understand? Okay, likewise you can insert, more items. Let's say I want to insert pineapple at position 2. Okay, what you can do? You say fruits dot. So here you don't do that because your list is modified. 0, 1, 2. 2 means again banana here. So let's what you do? You just copy the code, okay, and paste it in here. Okay. Now here you say 2. 0, 1, 0, 1, and 2. So 2 will be watermelon. That means apple, banana, watermelon, mango, kiwi, and dragon. That will be your list. So let me save and run it. See, apple, banana, watermelon, then mango, kiwi, dragon. Okay, you understand? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so now what we do is we want to add items. Okay, this is like adding items only. We are adding items. We are not replacing. Insert is like, adding items. Okay, not replacing. So what we do now, let's add more items. So let me first, copy these fruits because we need this and comment all this code. So we'll be copying it here. And now see, I want to, add fruits to the end of the list. So end of the list, after dragon fruit, I want to add. So I'll be saying fruits dot append. Append function will add fruit to the end of the list. So let's say I want to add watermelon. So watermelon, it is added to the end of the list. So when it's the end of the list, no, you don't have to mention index. Okay. So this time append function doesn't need index because append says I want to insert this value watermelon in the end of the list. So I don't require the index because I know the end. Okay. So that's why it doesn't need index. Okay, so when we print fruits, it should show me that watermelon in the list at the end of the list. Okay, so let me just run this program. See, apple, banana, and the watermelon is after triangle. Okay, so that is append. Okay, you can append more fruits. Like instead of one, you can add one more fruit. Okay, and you say, I want musk. Okay, so this is like watermelon only. So now, we run it. Now, as you can see, when we run, we have, first watermelon and then musk. So these two fruits, they were added, in the end of the list. So append doesn't require indexing. Why? Because you are adding the fruits in the end of the list. Okay. Alright, but insert function will need the index, okay? Because you have to specify where do you want to insert that value, okay? And the next one is, so the next is, so let me just comment it. Append will, here, let me put a note here. Append, it will add items, item value at the end of the list. So in this one, now this, there is one more function, okay? So it's called, extend, okay? So what is this extend? So basically, extend is going to, join two lists, okay? Like say we have, let me first comment this one, copy this fruits list, okay? Also comment this one. We are commenting here because we don't want to see the output of those in the output terminal. Okay. Now, let's copy paste. What we are doing here, we are doing extend. Okay. Extend means, we have two lists. Okay. So we have two lists and we want to, append. We want to append all items from another list. Okay, the the current list. Okay, so it's like you want to append all items like from fruits one. So we say here we have like fruits from Kashmir. Okay, so we say it's a Kashmir fruits. So I'll say Kashmir is equal to, and in here so Kashmir, there's it's not a fruit, but actually, what grows in Kashmir we'll put in here. Okay. So what is famous in Kashmir is saffron. And let's not put apple in fruits, okay? So we'll remove it. And index also will remove it. And in Kashmir, there we have, apple. Okay, anything which is famous, it is in here. I want to add this, anything that you have in this list. Okay, let's say in here we have watermelon. Okay, now I want to add all the items from this list. Okay, and add it to the fruits list. Okay, what I can do, I'll say, that fruits dot extend, that I want to extend this fruits list with you know the Kashmir list. Okay, so Kashmir, all the items from the Kashmir will be you will put it in the fruits list. Okay, so it says fruits dot extend means extend the fruits list having all the items from the Kashmir list. Okay, so all these items will be placed at the end of this list. So let's print it and prove it. Okay. that we have all the items from the Kashmir list. Okay, all right. So what we do is now we just need to run this. So let's save this file, close the terminal, run it again. Okay, see now you have first you will have items from the fruits list. Okay, so banana, mango, kiwi, dragon. Okay, now you have extend function Kashmir. So whatever items from the Kashmir list is there, no, it has been added, you know, to the end of this fruits list. So saffron, apple, and watermelon. You see, so you can extend this list also with another list. Okay, all right. So that's all for today. We have to see in the next session removing items, then looping, then sorting, copying, joining the list. Okay, so I'll give you some time to practice. Keep practicing. See you in the next session. Have a nice day. Bye bye.